Good evening, fellow postmasters and dear guests.
Good evening.
Good evening. Uh, have you ever been on a journey all alone? Where have you been? Okay. I'm sure that would have been a great experience, I believe. Okay, let me tell you my story. I was 14 years old and I was studying in class 9, and it was month of September. My uncle was working for MNC company called IBM, and those days he had recently joined that IBM. So he needed some documents over there. He needed some documents. One fine day he called me. We had talked with him for a few minutes, and as usual we used to talk about family and all. At last, he spoke. He needed those documents. I replied, and he needed those documents and asked me to bring. So I replied, I'm not coming there. I have never ever been this long distance journey. How can you say that? He encouraged me, motivated me. You are 15 years old boy. You can manage all these things. So at last I replied him, okay, let me think and decide whether I would be able to travel this long distance journey or not. That whole night, I was sleepless. Lots of things were popping up in my mind. Whether I would be able to get the ticket, or I would be able to board the train and deboard the train in Chennai in the right way. This kind of thinking was going on and on in my mind. Next day, I was all set to get the ticket. So, and as we all know, getting confirmed train ticket is not easy. For that, we need to book ticket a month before. Somehow, I convinced myself, and I reached the railway station, and I being queued myself up in the queue. As soon as I reached to the ticket clerk, he asked me where to go. I was blank. I forgot where I was going. He again asked. Suddenly I remembered, oh, I'm going Chennai. He booked ticket and gave me, and my hands were like, when I got ticket, my hands were like shivering. Again, I came back to home. At home, everyone was asking questions. Did you get ticket, or how did you get? I mean, did you have any problem there? I was scared, but I managed myself. The very next day, I was all set to board the train in Lucknow at 9 o'clock morning. I boarded the train, and as soon as the train started making horn, my heartbeat also started a little faster. So train kept moving on, and throughout the journey, at many places train stopped, and I was very happy. Somewhere I was scared also. I was happy, and I was happy because I was seeing new people, new places, and lots of different languages I was coming across. So finally, I reached Chennai, and my uncle had come to pick me up at the railway station in Chennai, and he took me to his flat, and I took some rest for a few minutes. We had some talk with each other about family and all. and had some good food. And we went. Later, then I gave him the documents that I had for him. Later, I went for movies and went Marina Beach also. And sitting on the coast of beach, I was uh, feeling like I would never go back to home. It was very nice feeling, and I spent there. I spent 5 days in Chennai, and finally I had to come back home. So my uncle bought some clothes for me, and he had also got some gifts for me and some family members also. So and also he got booked ticket for me coming back to home, and coming back to home. So finally, it was again my long distance journey, and same thing was going on and on in my mind. I was searching the time 5 days I spent in Chennai and all. So again I came back to home, and I reached home, and everyone was asking questions. How is it? How did you spend your journey, and how how did you manage all these things somehow? And especially my mom, she was very happy seeing me. So that's it. Thank you.